All right, we're here, the very final module of the what did I call it in the beginning? 7 series of transformation. All right, thanks. Anyway, we're here at the end, but it's not the end. This is just the beginning. This compact little course that just deals with our emotional, mental, and physical barriers in our work is just the tip of the iceberg. We could be together for a long time. So please continue to look back for my next series coming out. But for now, let's wrap this up. So the 7th module is all about manifestation and mindfulness. And now I know that you're probably like, oh my God, I waited all the way to the 7th part for this. I'm going to share a secret with you. I don't know, a lot of people who write self-help books and all that kind of stuff might be a little mad, but the key to unlocking your power is you just believing in you. As simple as that sounds. If you have trouble believing in you, there are a few things you can do to get the ball rolling. Because once you believe in you, your belief is infectious and other people will see who you see too. I'm sure no one here is a stranger to gratitude practices. If you can start practicing gratitude every day, even in those really hard, really crummy days, because those days are the meaningful days. When we can practice gratitude, we're unlocking part of our heart and sending it out there for everyone to feel. It's like sending like a little dinghy off of a cruise ship, going to pick up some passengers, and it's going to make everyone's day. It's just going away from us. And it doesn't leave in a bad way, but it's putting our good intentions out into the world. It's putting our gratitude out into the world. And when we put our gratitude out into the world, we're manifesting the life that we want to have. So the easiest way to start, if this sounds like a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, is there's many things. You can go on Facebook and list one thing that you're grateful for out of that day. It could be something simple like a 3-year-old actually agreeing to put on his shoes. It could be huge, like finishing and publishing your website. It can be anything, but something that you're grateful for. You could be grateful for the way the wind blows through the trees on a late summer day. It can be anything. But please, please, please try to include gratitude in your everyday. It just allows things to flow freely in and out. So we're talking about business ideas and development there, but we're also talking about leaving your heart open and receptive to what's trying to come in. I know, a little woo. Just go with me. I swear it works. The other piece is mindfulness. If we're mindful about our strengths that we talked about in the very beginning, and we're mindful that we only want to support others and not necessarily compare ourselves, because there's a quote out there by someone brilliant that says comparison is the thief of joy. It's so true. So now we know our strengths. We're not going to compare ourselves to anyone. We're going to show gratitude. And we're also going to show those people out there, we're going to change our mindset from competitors to colleagues. If you change your mindset about the language in your head, really listen how you talk to yourself in a day. Do you say things like, oh, you're such an idiot. I can't believe you did that. That is so stupid. You're going to be telling your body and your mind that you're incapable, that you're less than. And I'm sorry, but again, I call bullshit. You are capable and you are more than worthy. The key is unlocking it within you first, and it naturally happens elsewhere. Mindfulness and mindset, hand in hand, right? We're just going to think about the language that we're using within our own head, and if we're telling ourselves we're not very good. Every single time I host a workshop, I have someone say aloud, usually within the first 2 minutes, I'm not good at, or I really can't. And I feel like we all have our strengths and our weaknesses, but we're ignoring our weaknesses right now. If there's something you can't do in business, let's say filing taxes, outsource it. That is literally what a doula does. An accountant is going to help you make your life a little bit easier. If you manifest abundance, so if you put it out there that you're ready for clients, you're ready for abundance, you're going to get them. Again, you can't just lay in your bed at night, close your eyes and say, I want some clients. I want you to really put it out there, open your heart and connect. But if you haven't told anyone publicly yet, it would make it a lot easier. But please tell the universe, tell whatever higher power you believe in. Tell them you're ready, keep your mind open, and amazing things are going to happen. I can't wait. If you're looking for resources, because I'm not at all even remotely an expert on mindfulness, meditation, manifestation, or anything that has to be overly calm, there are some really great resources out there. There's some fantastic YouTube videos. One of my favorite people in the whole world is Brene Brown, and I can't wait for the day I get to shake her hand. She has amazing videos, and I feel like they really resonate with me as a woman because she touches on fear and vulnerability and facing that as not a weakness, and it's just wonderful. She has wonderful stuff. So please check out her videos. I know a lot of people enjoyed Eckhart Tolle's books. He has a lot of books about mindfulness, meditation, and just living in the now. So that's an option, but there were endless authors about it. Just start watching stuff, see what resonates with you. And then ask yourself, why does it resonate? Is it because it's based on relationships? Is it because I like the idea of having control of my destiny? I like the idea of reaching out and seizing what you want for your business instead of waiting for it to fall into your lap. Progress before perfection. Nothing about your business will be perfect. And a lot of it won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Don't forget, please, before we sign off together, that you have the Facebook group that is only open to people who have taken this course together. This Facebook group is key on sharing information and supporting each other. I want that to be an ultimate support system where we don't steal ideas, we don't even borrow ideas, we just brainstorm ideas and share with each other. Thank you so much for taking this really short mini course with me. I hope that it's inspired you to at least get the ball rolling. Think about what you're good at. Think about the skills you brought into your doula work before becoming a doula. Blend those two things together and life will be easy. If you're looking for more information, you can join me at one of my in-person workshops that I hold every couple months all over the place. I can also come to you if you have a group of doulas or business people interested in talking about the nitty-gritty and the fine stuff about business organization and registering names and all that really, really fun stuff. I can come to you too. Email me, melissa@thebusinessdoula.ca, and I will be in touch with you. So please, please, please share and like this series and let me know what you think. I'm curious about your opinion. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks again. Now go grab your dreams by the ball.